Hey there, it's Chris here at Lexus of Edmonton. I'm a certified Lexus technician, and today we're going to talk about the winter tires. So right now I'm doing a winter tire changeover on this SC. And one thing that you notice between your all-season tires and your winter tires is a big difference in your tread. Tread rubber remains flexible, which gives better grip for the winter tires. The deeper treads, because most you'll see is the winter tires, most of their tread is usually thicker, deeper, and they have different patterns as well. The deeper tread produces snow buildup and it's better traction. Performs better on ice and slush as well. Sorry, hey. As well as if you look really close, the sipe densities, which are these thousands of tiny little slits in the tread that helps provide better traction on the ice, which is in here close up. Have a peek. These tiny little spots in here. So I'm gonna show you real quick how we check the tread depth. So we measure in 3 places. We'll always measure the outer and see how consistent they are. So the outer plane is 11/30 seconds. The inner on this is 9/30 seconds, and the center area is 12. So right now I would call that 9/30 seconds, which is the inside wear. Anything below 6/30 seconds, like luckily for us, some of these tire tread depth gauges you can get, some of them are color coded, and which also helps a lot of, like, it's user friendly for a lot of people. Anything below 6/30 seconds, you should really start looking around. No rush, but you should look around for a new set of tires. And these work really well for winter times because they're winter tires. And so winter tires will always outperform all season tires in cold weather. Anything below 7 degrees Celsius, you should really check into doing your tire changeover to your winters. They perform so much better. This is a perfect opportunity right now while the snow has not hit yet to come in and make your tire change appointment, get a winterization package, winter tires. We supply all that for you before the rush. If you have any other questions, comments, or any other videos you would like to see, give us a shout, message us on Instagram, Facebook, anything, get in touch. Whatever you want to see, we'll accommodate that. Thank you.